Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we have a Mercedes W210 EIS. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not going to know if you can not until I edit it, but hopefully you can. Anyway, W210 nonetheless. And I'm going to shut this light off to get rid of the glare. And we're going to do all keys lost here using the 508. And I'm going to do it on bench here. So first thing I'm going to do is just hook our EIS up to my platform. They're all snugged in here. And I'm just going to show you here that our key is not programmed and does not work. See here. And so we're going to use the im508 and the XP400 to get the password and make the key. So go to emo and we're going to hit OK, Mercedes-Benz, expert selection. First thing we'll do is we'll read the EIS data via IR. And on bench, G-box here, even though we're not using the G-box. Don't need the diagram because we've got the platform. And it's going to have us just insert the IR reader, or the APB125, into the EIS. And it should go through a process here of reading the data from it. All right, good. So it's read the information. And it tells us now if we want to actually try to read the password. It says it takes 1 to 4 minutes. I've never had this work on a W210, so you want to try it, knock yourself out. I'm just going to skip it. And here's our data. It shows us here that, so this one's actually got 7 slots used. We're going to be using the last slot here, number 8. Hit OK, and we do want to go ahead and save this, so we will do that. All right, now we're going to go back out of this, and we're going to head to get password, and we're going to do all keys lost fast. And I'm not using the G-box here, so I don't need to read any of that. And I'm going to hit on bench G-box fast, even though, like I just said, I'm not using the G-box. Doing W210. Again, not relevant to me. And establishing communication. And we go ahead and just unplug the IR reader out of it for the beginning here. And we will hit begin. All right, just telling us to follow the instructions. Connect device, we've already done that. Connect our APB125 to the XP400, we've done that already. And now it should just tell us to plug the APB125 into the EIS. Now it said failed to read information here, so it's back out of it. Let's just start it over here. Let me go ahead and insert this in, see if that makes a difference here. All right, so I guess I should have left it in. So anyway, now it's telling us to take it out and stick it back in. And now it's going to calculate the password. It's telling us that it could take 10 to 90 minutes. So we're just going to let it ride here. All right, that actually read the password in, I don't know, that even took 3 minutes. So awesome, awesome job, Autel. And kind of a good practice here to snap a picture of it just in case. So do that real quick here. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK. Now for this next step here, it tells us that it's complete. Totally awesome here. Now we're gonna go to key, IR. And we want to actually generate a key file now. That's going to have us load the EIS data, which should be saved in here. Hit view, should get us the most recent here. 4:57 a.m., that's the one. All right, it's got it loaded up, just showing us our key files here, and that the last slot, number 8, is the one that we're going to have to use, which is perfectly fine. And we'll go ahead and just hit OK. There's our password auto filled in. And so, not used, not disabled. We're going to just select number 8. We have a V51 half smart key here, so we'll hit OK. Now it's just generating a key file for us. And while it's doing that, I'm going to take the IR reader out because it's just going to be in our way from here on, because the next thing we're sticking in there is going to be the key. So now it tells us that it's generated the key file. Beautiful. Now we'd like to go ahead and write the file. Tell us to insert it into the XP400. And we just need to find, so I'm going to view, hit bottom there, and it should tell us, see, 5:03 a.m., key number 8. Hit OK. Now it should be communicating with the key, and it should just be writing that file to our key, and then we'll go ahead and we'll actually test it. Key file writing complete. And it just tells us now to see if it can start the vehicle here, so just hit OK. And then from here, the rest of this is going to be going down right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just put us in test mode here, which will let us actually test it. And hopefully you guys can see this here. And I put the key in, the red light's going to light up, and I don't hopefully be able to catch it on camera here. So the red light's on. Hopefully you can see it. And it should turn off here once it actually accepts the key. It's like right now it's not going to turn. And sometimes you got to just take it out and insert it back in. So we'll try that real quick here. Now the red light just shut off, and we just heard it click. Now our key is actually programmed. So there we go. I go for the click, and key works. So this would be able to go back in the car now, and you'd be able to start and drive the car, assuming, of course, nothing else is wrong with this really old car. So anyway, there's all keys lost on a W210 EIS using the Autel im508. And if you guys want to see any other videos or ideas for videos, put them in the comments. Let me know. If you have any questions or comments, I'll put those in the comments as well. And I don't have really anything else to add to this video. So until next time, we will talk to everybody later.